time period today that we're focusing on. It's a little bit earlier than that Wednesday wind event, 10 this morning through the 4 o'clock hour. Winds are going to be gusting as strong as 50 miles per hour. We'll have more of the dust, the poor air quality, and the difficult travel conditions. Now, in the Albuquerque Metro and in Santa Fe, we're not under a wind advisory. It takes that peak wind gust to 55 to kind of hit that criteria. So we'll be close, but probably just shy of that. But wind advisories, high wind warnings have been placed over portions of southern and especially eastern New Mexico. And in those high wind warning areas, places like Las Vegas, we're probably talking about a gust to 70. Not much motion to the flag right now. It's a southeast wind at 9. We're real close to freezing this morning at 33 degrees. Boy, look off to the west and north. Spots of flurries and snow showers. Snow reported in Gallup. We've had snow reports out of Farmington. Maybe there's a bit of a lull right now, but we've already got the snow going in northwest New Mexico from the storm system. We've got this cold front set to hit probably into the 9 and 10 o'clock hour. So it's going to be a quick ramping up of the wind speeds as that front does move through. Note any chance at wintry mix and snow showers probably does stay just to the north and west and north of Albuquerque as this weather system does move through. It's high temperatures in the 40s in northern New Mexico. We will still see some 60s and 50s in southern New Mexico, but this is another chilly day. Not quite as cold as yesterday, but close. That snow shower activity, it wraps up in northern New Mexico into the dinner hour and later this evening. 2 o'clock wind field here, gusts 40, 50 miles per hour. Going to be pretty widespread. Eastern New Mexico a little bit worse than the western part of the state. And out east with those strongest winds, we've got those big time fire danger concerns. So here in Albuquerque, right after we get the kids off to the school, at 8, 9, 10 o'clock hour, wind speeds will be increasing hour by hour, and the peak wind probably hits right around midday or early this afternoon. And yeah, we're going to have a tough time hitting 50 degrees out there later on today as that wind just continues to punish us this afternoon, and we'll have that blurred out visibility and the blowing dust in the air.